Hi, my name is Christian Brown. I'm the station manager here at West Bridgford Fire Station. As you can see behind me, we've still got the last few people here really from the station open day, which has been a fantastic success. I'd like to thank everyone for coming down, getting involved with us. What a great day it's been, and I think approximately we must have had maybe 1,000 people here today across the footfall, across the 3 hours itself. And I really thought it was important to open the station up to the community, to engage with everyone here in Rushcliffe and West Bridgford, to really, show everyone what we do. It's not just about fires. We do lots of other things in the community. We engage with our partners. We've had people here down from Trent First Responders, the police, the Mansfield Fire Museum's been here integrating with the community, which has been fantastic. Dexter, the fire dog, and Dave Cross, the watch manager from the East Midlands Fire Investigation Unit. It really has been a cracking day. One of the things that I thought has gone really, really well as well is the demonstrations that Red Watch have done here today, which they've done 3 demonstrations, the first of which was extricating a casualty from a road traffic collision, showing everybody the techniques they use, the equipment they use, and how really they try and do everything as safely as possibly they can, and putting in control measures in place so that, yes, we have a dangerous job, but we try and mitigate the dangers as much as possible by putting safe systems of work in place so we can resolve incidents. The second drill we did, an exercise, was one of a house fire. We simulated that with synthetic smoke and rescued a casualty, which again looked really, really impressive. And even one of the questions I got from the crowd was, is there a real fire in the building? And no, that's not the case. We use it just for training. Last demonstration, which was with the aerial ladder platform, which we've got over here in the background. And we got the crews from London Road to come down, fully erect the cage. Its full extent of about 32 metres, which everyone thought was very, very impressive. And yeah, generally, all in all, been a cracking day. Thank you for coming down. It's been a great day. Thank you.